potatoes and stuff, what he's doing.
Today is December 2nd, 2011. If you're on the other side of the date line, say for instance in Japan, it would be December 3rd. So all of you people in the Asia area, today is December 3rd. My son Eli was born on September 17th, 2010. That makes him approximately 1 year and almost 3 months. As you can see, Homo erectus here is destroying our fridge. He is taking items out, inspecting them thoroughly, and then putting them back in how he sees fit. As you can see, he appears to be highly caffeinated, but he's not. This is who he is. Bearing tomatoes. Yes, yes, thank you. Dada has tomatoes. Farm fresh, yummy tomatoes. Oh, now they're going back in. Please also note the floor here. As you can see, it is linoleum.
Look, he has all the proper ingredients out to make a delicious salad. He's a chef.
Including the salad dressing. Well, now we have crushed salad.
He's a chef though. Look, he took out salad, tomatoes, and salad dressing.
That's how the Czechoslovakians have their salad. It's called crushed salad.
That's terrible.
Look, no, he's Slavic. He's crushing everything. Only in Slavia do you have crushed salad and tomatoes with dressing. Could it be that Eli is actually part Slavic?
Eli, what you doing?
He's crushing the salad. What else is he doing? Well, now we usually don't toss a shoe in with the salad, but he is opting possibly for that. He's grabbing the shoe. What can he be doing with the shoe? What do I do? Oh, back to salad. Crush the salad. No, whoa. We're not going to do that. No, we're not.
Everybody say goodbye to the salad.
Don't throw it out.
Oh, is it fresh?
Yeah.
Why'd you let him crush it?
It was interesting. It's going to taste the same, just squished. All right, Eli, what are you doing there?
People, do you see what I have to contend with here?
I know, Eli can be very, well, he's much of a rascal.
I wasn't really talking about Eli, but okay.
Oh, I know, Princess. You'll be better in life one day. He'll be much more behaved. Whoa, sorry. Back to you. Whoa! Now we're gonna conquer this big beast of a fridge. What's he going for now? Hey, you know what? We can play like Price is Right. Hey, Eli, grab something out of the fridge close to $3. Close that fridge. There you go. Well, no, he's grabbing the Toll House cookie pre-made thingy. He's putting it back in the bin. Nope, he decided not to go with that. Oh, tomatoes he is done with. Are you going to close the bin? What else are you going to put in there? Salad dressing, are you going to put it back? Where are you going? You going to keep the salad dressing? You got to close the drawer, tough guy, because it won't close unless you close that drawer. Do you want some help? Eli? Open. How? Eli. Oh, the light went off. I forgot to pay the electric bill. You tough guy. You want to say bye-bye? Say again. Say it a little louder, Eli. Eli, say bye-bye. Eli. Bye-bye. Want to say bye-bye? Eli. Tough guy. Bye-bye. 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 What are you trying to do there, tough guy? Oh, not the eggs. Don't do the eggs. It's like life support. Oh, tomatoes again. Lovely. Eli. Oh, you got the Nestle cookie mix stuff. What you got there, huh? No, don't grab the hot sauce. That'll put you over the limit here. We're gonna close this up. Hold on. Whoa. All right, now close it. Close it. How's that?